that's no dog. The Kipper, that's Kipper. Like dog, like dog, like dog, like dog, like a Jew. Could cat of any of it more which that dude can eat. Could you think you did? This dude can eat a frog. I'm told that way the dog, the Kipper, that's Slipper, the will dog, the Kipper, and call it.
Oh, hello, Pig.
Kipper, would you like to come?
No. Oh, hello, Pig.
Kipper, would you like to come to the park? Arnold wants to feed the ducks. Arnold wants to feed the ducks.
Oh, hello, Pig.
Kipper, would you like to come to the park? Would you like to come to the park? Arnold wants to... Put a finger in your foot. It always works for me.
Oh. Well, thanks, Pig. Maybe see you later. No. That's silly. That wouldn't work. Perhaps if I hold my breath and count to one...
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. They're gone. Oh, no. Ah, there we are. Hiccups. To cure hiccups, place yourself in an upside-down position and sing a song.
It's the eye of the spider, it's poison, it won't bite. Oh, look out, I'm an excellent fighter. The creepers and zombies, other mobs of the...
Ah, that's better.
Hello, Kipper. It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Yes, Jake. It's a lovely day. I don't think I've ever seen such a lovely...
I think you've got hiccups, Kipper.
No shit, Sherlock.
I've had them all day. I can't get rid of them.
Well, I could always give you a bear hug.
Jake! Oh! Jake! Stop! Jake! Oh! Stop it!
A good bear hug.
Oh!
Oh, hello, Kipper. Have you tried holding your breath and counting to 100? Oh, what about standing on your head and singing a song? Pig said you should do what? Well, I wouldn't listen to Pig. Everything he says is silly. Kipper, have you tried drinking a glass of water from the wrong side?
On the wrong side, on the wrong side.
No? Well, that should do the trick.
Which is
The wrong side.
That can't be right.
so that's
The wrong side.
well done, Tiger. Ah. Oh,
No, please, go away. I've tried everything.
One, two, three. Quiet, everyone!
What's all the noise for? You really gave me a fright.
Sorry, Kipper, but it had to be done.
I don't think it's funny.
oh, I can't get rid of... Wait a minute. They're gone.
I said it would work, didn't I?